this video, we are discussing a trigonometric identities question. And the question is, if sin theta plus cosec theta equals 2, then find the value of sin to the power 20 theta plus cosec to the power 20 theta. So let's get started without wasting much time. We are given with sin theta plus cosec theta equals 2. And we know that cosec theta can be written as 1 over sin theta. And if we multiply both sides by sin theta, we'll get sin² theta plus 1 equals 2 sin theta, or which can be written as sin² theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1 equals 0. So we got a quadratic equation in terms of sine, and we can solve it by using the middle term splitting method. So we can write it as sin² theta minus sin theta minus sin theta plus 1 equals 0. So we can take sin theta common. We will have sin theta minus 1. And from the last two terms, you can take minus 1 common. So we'll have sin theta minus 1 equals 0. So you have two factors as sin theta minus 1 times sin theta minus 1 equals 0. That means sin theta minus 1 equals 0 or sin theta equals 1. As sin theta is 1, so cosec theta, which is 1 over sin theta, is also 1. So we have sin theta equals 1 and cosec theta equals 1. And now you can find sin to the power 20 theta, 30 theta, 40 theta, or whatever number it is. Because we know the value of sin theta and we also know the value of cosec theta. So sin to the power 20 theta plus cosec to the power 20 theta will be equal to 1 raised to the power 20 plus 1 raised to the power 20. 1 raised to the power any number is 1. So 1 plus 1, which is 2. So the answer is 2. And there you have it. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.